This video will demonstrate how to use EVA's image gallery. You can access the image gallery by clicking on the Images Evaluated section on the dashboard, or by clicking on a number in the Score per Photographer table. Here we can see all images evaluated by EVA from every photographer. Displayed at the top of the page is the overall score, the number of images evaluated, the number of images omitted, and the percentage of problematic images per issue. Images containing issues can be quickly identified by little icons above the image. To more quickly and easily view the images with issues, we can apply a filter. Click on All Images to access the Image Issue filter and choose Any Issue to view only the images containing a quality issue. We can also filter the images by issue. We can view images containing one specific issue at a time or multiple issues at once. Clicking a photography issue at the top of the page will also filter the images by issue. Click the issue a second time to undo the filter. If you want a closer look or to view more image details, just click on an image to enlarge it. You can flip through the images in this view mode by pressing the left and right arrows on your keyboard. We can filter to view images from only one job at a time or a number of selected jobs. We can also change how the images are sorted. To quickly view which images have been omitted and which do not count toward the overall score, click here to hide the images that do count towards the score. Images with QR codes or no face are omitted automatically and will appear grayed out. You can enlarge an image to see if an image was automatically omitted by EVA or if an admin manually omitted the image. If you want to omit an image or include an omitted image in the score, simply right-click the image and click this button to omit the image. If you want to omit or include many images at once, enter selection mode and select the images, then click Include or Omit Selected. You can now rotate images in your gallery if needed. This is only a view mode and will not change the EXIF data of your images. To view only the images taken by a specific photographer, choose a name from the photographer's list on the left of the gallery. You can sort your list of photographers by name alphabetically or by score. Click All to reset the photographer filter. Changing a filter in the gallery does not change the filters in the dashboard. So when you close the gallery, your dashboard filters will remain as you left them. Please check out EVA's knowledge base for more information. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all our new products and features. Thanks for watching.